What's up everyone? Welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson XP 4105 refusing to print, showing errors, stuck in the queue, or just spitting out blank pages? Super frustrating, right? Especially when you just need one quick print. This is a really common problem and usually comes down to a few simple things like connection issues, ink or nozzle problems, or driver glitches. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through easy step-by-step troubleshooting that anyone can follow to get the XP4105 printing again. Alright, let's dive in and sort this out. Method 1. Run the printer's cleaning cycle. First, head over to your printer's control panel and use the right arrow until you see the maintenance option. Once you see it, press OK to select it. Now, use the down arrow to scroll the printhead cleaning and then press OK. When you see a screen like the one here, just hit OK to start the process. Alright, now the cleaning cycle will begin. You'll see a little timer showing how long it will take. Just let it run. Once it's done, the printer will ask you if you want to do a nozzle check. Go ahead and choose the check so it can print a test page. Then take a look and see if the print looks clean. Method 2. Replace the ink cartridges. Again, use that right arrow button on your control panel to select maintenance and press OK. Now, scroll down using the down arrow until you find the ink cartridges replacement. When you see this screen, just press OK to continue. You'll get a prompt telling you to open the print cover. So go ahead and lift the cover if the cartridge needs replacement. Once it's open, carefully pull the old cartridge out. Now, grab your fresh cartridge and slide it right into the slot. Once that's done, gently close the top cover. Head back to the control panel and press OK to complete option. And you're all set. The screen will confirm the cartridge replacement was successful. Method 3. Print a nozzle check page. Start by selecting maintenance on your control panel. Then choose printhead nozzle check and press OK. The printer will ask you to insert an A4 size sheet of paper. Just pop one in and press OK. When the test page prints, take a close look at the lines to see if everything looks clean and even. If the line looks broken or patchy, tap the X icon and press OK. You'll get one more confirmation screen. Hit OK again to run the cleaning process.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.